Hey guys, Andrew and Doug with Straight Edge Technology again. Doug, I've heard the team talking about like info security, data security, that sort of thing all the time as part of our jobs. And I noticed we have a lot of law firms as clients, and I was wondering, like, above and beyond the standard practices, what do they need to do to stay protected and in control of the data?
In the last couple of years, that's changed a little bit. The law firms, now have their clients' data on their network. So if they're providing support for a healthcare organization or an oil and gas company or maybe a bank, the data that they're being given from their client sometimes has certain regulations and requirements that they need to pay attention to when they put that data on their network. So if they take information from a healthcare organization, patient record, that kind of thing, they're now subject to some HIPAA guidelines for how they store and protect and make sure that the bad guys don't have access to that data when they bring it onto their network.
Gotcha. And what happens if that goes south? If they lose that data, or they just lose access to it via like a ransomware situation?
Yeah. I mean, first and foremost, they're going to have some hit to their reputation. They're going to be potentially down and not able to access that information. And then their client, they're going to have to disclose to their client that they either lost the information, need another copy of it, or in the worst case, had unauthorized access, provided unauthorized access to like a bad guy and that information. In the case of HIPAA, that's a HIPAA violation, someone that was unauthorized access to that information.
Gotcha. And if they take these steps to protect themselves, is this ever a set it and forget it type scenario?
Yeah, often not. So, there's kind of layers to security, and those layers need to be reviewed and changed and made better over time. So you need to educate your end users at good data privacy and security frameworks. You need to have some tools and technology that are in place to keep the bad guys out and alert if anything funny looks like it's happening on your network. And then last, you need to have good company policies around if there ever is a breach, what kind of insurance you have to help you remediate a problem like that, and then who you notify and how you notify them if something ever does happen. So there's kind of 3 phases, and those things have to be updated all the time. It's not set it and forget it, because the bad guys are smart and they're getting better and they change their tactics over time.
Gotcha. Luckily, so do we.
Yes, we got to keep up.
All right. Well, guys, thank you so much. We'll have more content for you coming soon.
Thanks.